Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create motion graphic intro in Capcut. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have created a project in my Capcut application, and as you can see, I have prepared my background. And for example, for today's tutorial, I'm going to create motion graphic intro for flyer video. Okay, I'm going to go to overlay, add overlay, and then I'm going to choose one of my folder here. Okay, I'm going to select this image and also this one. Okay, and click on add, and then I'm going to remove the background of the image. We can click on the image and go to the Capcut, remove background, and you can choose custom removal if you're not a premium user. And here I'm just going to choose this one to make the process faster. But for you who have not subscribed to Capcut, you can choose the custom removal. Okay, and then I'm going to zoom in. All right, and I'm going to zoom out. Okay, you can arrange the elements in your motion graphic intro. Okay, and then I'm going to add text to this project. I'm going to select text, add text, and for example, I'm just going to type in healthy food like this. And then I'm going to go to the style, and then I'm going to select curve and make it curve. Okay, then we can adjust the intensity right here. Okay, and then to make it more captivating, I'm going to add sticker. I'm going to go to the sticker menu, and I'm going to select cute fruit animation. Okay, I'm just going to choose this one. I'm going to place it here. Okay, just small. And then I'm going to, wait guys, let me rearrange the composition. Okay, and one more sticker. I'm going to choose wait, this one. This is so cute. Oops, sorry. Click on the sticker and I'm going to place it here. Okay, and now it's time to add animation to our elements. I'm just going to go back and add animation to the element. Here I'm just going to choose zoom in for the solid image. Okay, and then for the text, I'm going to go to the animations menu, and I'm going to choose flip in. Wait, I'm still looking for the animation. Okay, sorry guys, for the animation, I'm just going to choose the slide down animation. Okay, and then for the sticker, I'm going to choose bounce in for this one as well. And then I'm going to add sound effect. I'm going to go to the audio and select sound effects, and I'm going to choose for example mood, this one. Oops, sorry. Okay, I'm going to add this effect, and this is the final result. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create a motion graphic intro in Capcut. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.